Rolex Land Dweller Watch. Main features are model case oyster. Case size is 40 mm. Oyster steel and white gold. Oyster architecture, monoblock, middle case, screw-down case, back and winding crown. Case diameter 40 mm. Case material is white Rolex combination of oyster steel and white gold. Winding crown is screw-down, twin-lock double waterproofness system. Crystal scratch resistant sapphire, Cyclops lens over the date. Caseback transparent caseback with anti-reflective coating. Movement is perpetual, mechanical, self-winding. Oscillator, Siloxy hairspring and silicon with patented geometry. High-performance Paraflex shock absorbers. Winding bidirectional self-winding via perpetual rotor. Power reserve is approximately 66 hours. Other functions are center hour, minute and seconds hands. Instantaneous date with rapid setting. Stop seconds for precise time setting. Bracelet, flat Jubilee, 5-piece solid links. Material oyster steel. Clasp concealed folding crown clasp. Dial intense white honeycomb motif. Highly legible chromalite display with long-lasting blue luminescence. New caliber, 7,135 movement. This in-house developed, self-winding mechanical movement is a major innovation for Rolex. It operates at a high frequency of 5 Hz, 36,000 VA, and boasts a 66-hour power reserve. Fluted bezel. Staying true to a Rolex signature, the Land Dweller features a fluted bezel,